Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a Schmalz vacuum pump. As you can see, to the left is the sound enclosure, and to the right is the pump. This is a regenerative vacuum pump. The pump itself runs at 67 dB, so it's a really quiet pump to begin with. I'm not sure of what decibels it hits with the sound enclosure, but I'm guessing that it's at least 10 to 15 lower than what it runs freestanding. This is a 3.3 kilowatt or 4.4 horsepower pump. We're going to go ahead and turn that on. If you have any questions or comments, you can reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.